Hi everybody on my channel. My name is Alex and I want to present the air humidifier. The idea of this device is to create normal air in your house. As you know, during winter time we start using different heaters, heating systems, air cons to make comfortable temperature in our house, but we forgot about air humidity. The dry air can cause problems with our mucous membrane, which resulted to some illness. That is why we need to make comfortable not only the temperature but humidity also. The normal humidity for adult human is 40 to 60% and for kid is 50 to 60%. So you can find on the market different types of humidifier. And the price also different from 40 to 300 US dollars. So I will not speak about hot vapor type and ultrasonic type. I think the best and traditional type with natural operating of water into the air. So my device is this box. This is a plastic box. Have cover also. Now we will see what is inside. So this is just a minute. So inside the box we can see plastic cylinder. This one. This is piece of plastic pipe which used for ventilation canals with many holes on the surface. The cylinder covered by mosquito net with small cells. You can see small nets. When cylinder starts rotating with small speed, the cells filled up by the water drops. You can see a small rubber belt for rotating cylinder, the belt passing for the small electric motor for 12 volts. On the right side of the cover we can see two fans. This is just inside the cover. It's mounted inside. This is cooler for computer, supply voltage 12 volts. The intake air is going inside the box. You see, inside, and there is only one way to pass. It's coming inside this box. And there is only one way out, this one. The air must pass through these cells and went inside the cylinder. During this passage air becomes wet because it's passing through the water drops, and after cylinder air can freely pass through the vent canal out from the box. On the side box you see junction box. You can close this. See the side. So on the side box you see junction box with voltage transformer for fans, this one, and revolution controller which can decrease revolution for night time to become more silent. This is revolution controller. There is one more voltage transformer for supplying motor which rotates the cylinder, this one, and also you can adjust rotation speed to the cylinder, but I observe that it's not necessary. The best speed of rotation is the lowest speed, which gives you 3 volts. This is it. And now I conduct experiment. So humidity of the room is 38%. Temperature is 21.6 Celsius. So I'll put here So I start the motor and fans. So this is full speed of fans. This is level the noise you can hear. And now immediately 57, 69, you can see that how is fast changing the humidity of the air. 69%, 71. Normally I observe that the humidity which gives you this device for my room is about 22 square meters. The height of the room is about 2.8 meters. So distance between measurement and this device is about 5 meters. And during night time I observe that this humidifier gives you about 50% of humidity in the room. It's normal, it's comfortable, and it's working. Now we can see 73% humidity.